Yes, people. Yeah, man. I know say me really hurt. Me and all wife same way. Yeah, man. We there again same way. Manners and respect to all my subscribers them. Yeah, man. One love. Yeah, man. Respect you all and all of my fans them. Big on up all the way. Yeah, man. I don't know flowers there. The outside boss and all wife. We there. That was just a lesson. Yeah, man. A lesson for everyone to open their eyes. Yeah, man. Nick called me and tell me say, yo, it bother him platform, so that's why I removed that video now.
And him asked.
Him asked because I
Sorry,
wasn't
remove it.
I wasn't going to move it.
So people do not understand.
Yeah, man, I don't understand what's
and what
going
I
on,
am
you know.
saying,
Yeah.
people fi hold them tongue between
Yes.
them teeth and stop take them piece, the piece of meat where God put in their mouth.
God,
If it
no.
tap, take it and laba upon people.
Yeah, man,
What
I
they
tell you
don't
no.
know. Yeah.
Yeah.
And only that me have to say.
And fearty is fearty. Big up to all of my subscribers
Big up.
them,
Yeah.
and big up to all of my fans them same way. A whole on big up on yourself. Manners and respect. I'm out.